welcome back. It's English Lab with Esther with H. Today we are going to learn about two confusing terms. These terms are so confusing that they can be very annoying at times because some of you may not know which one to use. So we are going to learn about the difference between the word lie and lay. Are you ready? Let's check it out. Alright, let's take a look at this picture here with the word lay and the word lie. Do you know or can you see the difference between these two by looking at this picture alone? Well, I think not very easily. You can't really do that very easily, right? So let's take a look at this picture here. He did one person doing this, and then we have two people doing this action. Lie, one person doing this. Lay, we have two people doing this. Why? Do you know how to differentiate them just by looking at these pictures? Or have you any idea by now? Let's take a look at the table that I prepared for you. So to know how to distinguish the two, you have to know the meaning first. And one very important rule. So if you want to use the word lie, it means to be in or put yourself into a flat position. But if you want to use the word lay, it means to put something down carefully in a flat position. But for the word lie, you don't need any object. Whereas for the word lay, you need an object. It is a must. So if you don't know what's the term object, let's take a look at the examples below. Before breaking the bad news, the doctors told him to lie down. The students lay their notebooks on their desk. So if you take a look at these two examples here, if you want to know how to find out whether there's this object here, let's look at the example for a lie. Lie down. Well, some of you may tell me, the word down is the object, isn't it? No, the word down is actually a preposition, but if you don't know that is a preposition, let's ask yourself. Lie what? And what means it has to be a thing. So if you put here, lie what? Is down a thing, an item? No, right? So this is not an object. But if you look at the example, lay their notebooks. Lay their notebooks. Ask yourself this, lay what? And as I say, what has to be something, an item. So lay what? Lay their notebooks. So their notebooks is the object here. So you can see here, lie and lay. Lie, you don't need any object. But if you use the word lay, you need an object. Let's take a look at more examples. She lies down on her bed. John lies in the sand every day. Emma is lying on the beach. She lays her cat down on the bed. John lays the tray down on the table. Emma is laying the brushes on the grass. Now, I have read all of these examples for you. And remember, ask yourself, if you want to know whether this lay or lie, right, contain any object in these examples, ask the same question. Lie what and lay what? So if you look at the lie, the words, alright, the words lies, alright, lying here, is there any object? The what? No, right? Okay. But if you look at this, lay her cat, lays the tray, lay the brushes. These are the things, right, which you can take. So lay her cat, lays the tray, lay the brushes. Okay, so very, very important, these two. One, the word lie, without any object needed. Lay, you need the object. Okay, but some of you may still tell me, I'm still not quite sure how to differentiate these two. Then tell yourself this. Remind yourself by telling yourself this. You lie down yourself, but someone lays you down. Let me repeat. You lie down yourself, but someone lays you down. Okay? Got it? I hope this video can help you learn this. Alright, and it will help you to be able to differentiate this too. So the next time when you want to use this lie or lay, you will know what to do. Alright, remember what I've said. Okay? Right, in my next video, I'm going to share something about pronunciation. Let's take a look at this picture. How to pronounce these two words? Do you know or do you think that you can pronounce these two correctly? Let's think about it. So if you want to find out how to pronounce these two terms, please watch my next video. I will share with you. Right, it's quite interesting. Well, I will share with you in my next video. Right, stay tuned, subscribe and like or follow my pages. Thank you. Goodbye.